Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing video of the TP-Link TL-WR841N wireless router. This is a 300 Mbps wireless N router, as you can see from the description over here. And on the front face of the packaging, we see the exact same thing mentioned again, and the fact that this particular router has 5 dBi antennas, and it's also has support for IPTV. On the rear side of the packaging, we can see that TP-Link has provided a little diagram regarding the back side of the router. It mentions all the port configurations and what all devices you can connect to it. And on the right hand side, you have a little bit more marketing information, some of which is important. It says it has 2x2 MIMO, which increases efficiency for streaming and gaming. Then for personalized security, it has WPS, wireless protected setup, and parental controls, as well as a guest network. Then it talks about the setup process being quite easy, and that you can actually do a lot more from this particular router aside from the basic router functionalities. So they're calling it more than a router, in the sense that it can be used as an access point, a range extender, and in WISP mode it connects to an ISP wirelessly without a wired service required. Now let's unbox the device. We have the router straight up in front. Come to this later. Inside we have a little leaflet for no general public license notice. That means part of the firmware within the TP-Link WR841N happens to be open source. We'll keep this on the side. Then there's another booklet. This is a quick installation guide for the router. You have all the different modes mentioned. There you go. And also a few additional information as well as FAQs about the device. An Ethernet cable, and this would happen to be a 100 megabit Ethernet cable. And lastly, you have a 3-pin plug. It uses the Indian standard, as you can see, rounded pins. And at the end you have a barrel connector. This thing happens to be 9 volt and 0.8 amperes. So there you go, the router. It's fairly slim and takes up very little space. There are 2 antennas, and this is the back side as was described in the diagram on the box. And that's about it. This was a brief unboxing of the TP-Link TL-WR841N wireless N router. If you'd like us to do similar unboxings of networking peripherals, please do like and share this video, and as always, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.